still in consideration of the screen, types of screen, we have looked at the types of screen based on sizes. Now we equally need to look at the type of screen based on LED or LCD. That's based on the technology. Okay, so when you compare the technology, we have the LED type of screen and have the LCD type of screen. Okay, though modern laptops now come in a better technology. Then another type, another criteria we can use to classify screen is if a screen is touch screen or non-touch screen. I believe every one of us know what it means to have a touch screen and a non-touch screen. Already we are all used to phones, Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, your phone screen is automatically a touch screen. But most laptops always come on a non-touch screen. That is, you cannot use your hands to to implement commands on a laptop that has non-touch screen. Whereas the one that have a touch screen, there you can always use hand to to operate it instead of using mouse or using a cursor. So in that case, you see that the screen has a touch screen. So now the thing is that touch screen technologies it always appear in very portable, highly portable laptops that can be converted to, let's say, that can be converted to a tab. For instance, no, this laptop is not it's not a touch screen, okay? But touch screen laptops are almost like these sizes, or even less than this. They are always within the range of 11 inches to 12 inches, okay, or 11.5 inches. And most of them, they can be swinged backward and converted to, it will be like a tab. Like swing backward means that you can see that this part of the front that has keyboard can be flipped to the back of the laptop while the screen appears at the top. In that case, it will look like an iPad. Okay, it will look like an iPad. And once that happens, it has you can use your hand and maybe remove this, ignore this, the use of the keyboard, and use your hand to implement commands here. So we see that they are compatible, or they are hybrid laptop, in the sense that they can be used as an iPad without touch screen. Okay, when you have flipped back the keyboard parts, or they can be used as normal laptop, okay, when you have the keyboard parts. So you remember that such laptops that have touch screen technologies, they are always smaller in sizes. And they can be flipped. We call it X360. Flipping ability to rotate the laptop in a 360 degrees. Okay, so we still get to that aspect. So that's about touch screen, and again, there are some that you may not even be able to. You may not need to flip backward. You can detach the hinges and keep the laptop, like the keyboard, keep it aside. In that case, the processor, the every other thing, the RAM, the ROM, the hard disk, every other thing will be where the touch screen is supposed to be. Like they will be at the back of the touch screen, not under the keyboard. The keyboard will just be different. So in that case, now you can detach the screen from the keyboard and then turn it to become exactly like a tab or an iPad. Okay. All right. So that's about screen.